Hi everyone, this is Paul Smith with Jenger Chevrolet. Today is August 31st, last day of the month. I'm just giving you a construction update at Jenger Chevrolet. As you can see, I'm walking through the front door. The whole inside of the sales department is completely demolished. This here is where the new customer lounge is going to be. The bathrooms used to be here. They're still gonna put them back, but they're gonna move them against this wall. No windows. Those should be installed in a couple of weeks. And this area back here is going to be two F&I offices. One will be here and one will be here. And as we walk down the hallway, Ashley and Paula will be in this office once they finish it. This used to be my old office. And Ashley Kelly, or excuse me, Debbie Morgan, our office manager, will be in this office. So just letting everybody know what's going on. And that's my update for today, and hope everybody has a great day. Thank you.